The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. A quick and satisfying Vietnamese stir-fry that pairs thinly sliced beef sirloin with crisp bamboo shoots, fragrant garlic, spring onions, and a glossy sesame seed finish. The dish draws its savory depth from fish sauce and oyster sauce, while dry roasted sesame seeds add a nutty, toasted aroma that coats every bite. It comes together in under 25 minutes, making it an ideal weeknight dinner served over steamed rice. In Vietnamese, this dish is known as Bò Xào Măng, stir-fried beef with bamboo shoots. It is a beloved homestyle dish that rarely appears on restaurant menus but is a staple in Vietnamese family kitchens, where the contrast between tender beef and crunchy bamboo shoots makes it endlessly comforting. Main ingredients: beef sirloin, thinly sliced 12 ounces. Canned or pre-packed frozen bamboo shoots drained and thinly sliced 8 ounces. Garlic cloves, minced 3 cloves. Spring onions cut into lengths, 3 stalks. Sesame seeds, dry roasted in a skillet for 10 minutes over low heat until browned, 4 tablespoons. Seasonings: oil, 3 tablespoons. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Slice the beef. Partially freeze the beef sirloin for 20-30 minutes to firm it up, then slice it thinly across the grain into bite-sized strips. Slicing against the grain shortens the muscle fibers, ensuring each bite is tender rather than chewy. Set the sliced beef aside on a plate. Step 2. Mince the aromatics. Peel and mince the 3 garlic cloves finely. Trim the root ends and any wilted outer layers from the 3 spring onions, then cut them into 1-inch lengths on the diagonal for an attractive presentation. Keep the garlic and spring onions ready near the stove. Stir-fries move quickly once cooking begins. Step 3. Prepare the bamboo shoots. Drain the canned or thawed frozen bamboo shoots thoroughly. Slice them into thin strips roughly matching the size of the beef pieces so they cook evenly and distribute well throughout the dish. If using fresh bamboo shoots, boil them for 10-20 minutes first to remove any bitterness and astringency before slicing. Step 4. Dry roast the sesame seeds. Place the sesame seeds in a dry skillet over low heat and toast for about 10 minutes, shaking the pan or stirring continuously until they turn a warm golden brown and release their nutty fragrance. Watch carefully, sesame seeds can go from perfectly toasted to burnt in seconds. Transfer immediately to a small bowl to halt the cooking. Cooking steps. Step 1. Stir-fry the beef. Heat 2 tablespoons of the oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat until the oil just begins to smoke. Add the sliced beef in a single layer and stir-fry vigorously for about 1 minute until the beef changes color and is browned on the outside but still slightly pink inside. Do not overcrowd the pan, work in batches if necessary to get a good sear rather than steaming the meat. Remove the beef from the pan and set it aside on a plate. Step 2. Sauté aromatics and bamboo shoots. Heat the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil in the same wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add the minced garlic and stir-fry for 15-20 seconds until fragrant and just beginning to turn golden. Do not let it burn. Add the sliced bamboo shoots and spring onion pieces and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the bamboo shoots are tender crisp and have absorbed the garlicky oil. Step 3. Season and combine. Season the bamboo shoot mixture with the fish sauce, oyster sauce, salt, and black pepper, stirring well to coat evenly. Return the reserved beef to the pan and toss everything together for 30 seconds to combine. Add the dry roasted sesame seeds and continue stir-frying for 2 to 3 more minutes until the beef is fully cooked through and tender, and the sesame seeds are evenly distributed, clinging to the beef and vegetables. Step 4. Plate and serve. Remove from the heat and transfer immediately to a serving platter. Serve hot with steamed rice. For a bright finishing touch, a squeeze of fresh lime juice over the dish just before serving adds a vibrant acidity that many Vietnamese families consider essential.